welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here today. So I'm still under the weather. I still don't feel good, but we got some nail mail, which makes it better. So I just got a small order. I just got 2 polishes, 2 plates. I do have 2 more orders for Maniology coming. I took advantage of their BOGO deal on their starter kit, so I got an Easter bundle, or an Easter starter kit and a St. Patrick's Day starter kit, and it was buy one get one free, so that was amazing. It was $20 for 2. I'll take it. So I'm still waiting for that, and then I made another purchase today. Anyways, okay, so let's get into what I got this time around. I got this beautiful stick. I don't use them because I don't know where to use them, but I got this sticker. And one of the plates is new, and I'm very excited about it because, well, when we get there. Okay, so I got this plate, which is on their sales. I think it was $3 or whatever. This is M018. Blooming Babes is what I think it's called. But I really like florals. I don't know why, I just really like them. So here is the plate. Very pretty. I love all of them. I really like this plate. Okay. And this was one of their newer plates. This is the M574. I don't remember what it's called, but a little secret about me, or not a secret, but a little fun fact about me: I love fairies. Tinkerbell. Oh man, I love a Tinkerbell. But this is the second plate I got. So pretty. I'm very excited to use this one. I'm going to use this plate in this video today. Well, maybe both of them because they're both kind of floral-y. But yeah, this is very pretty. Start with this one. This one is, I don't remember what it's called. Oh, right there. Metamorphosis. Very pretty. I've been eyeing this one for a while. I believe this was $4 or $5. I don't remember. But it is jelly. Like a purple jelly, and then it has those foils in there. Then I got lace wig. I've been eyeing this one since I started buying with Maniology, and I think this was $3. It's different to me than it looks online. It's a little lighter, or I don't know. It's very pretty though. Felt like this would go really good with the fairies, so I will stamp this one. But I did do 2 swatches here, and that's just dust on there. But these are the. I think this will really go if you have like a purple base. This would be really pretty, or a black base. Not so much green, but this one I really like. It's like a swampy green. I really like this color. Really like this color. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch on the top real quick. She's really pretty. They had this dragon one too. I wish I would have grabbed it when I had the chance, because now it's sold out, and I don't know if it's gonna come back at all, so that kind of stinks. But I really want it. Oh, so that looks good over both. I think this is a dual chrome or metallic. I'm not sure, but it looks good over both black and white. That's exciting. I'm excited to use this. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the 2 starter kits that I got. I got a St. Patrick's Day one, and I got an Easter one. I'm not sure if the St. Patrick's Day one is still available. It was sold. Patrick's Day starter kit was sold out right after I got mine, and so was the plate. So I'm not sure. I think they have other ones that are available. But I'm not sure if this starter kit, I know the Easter one I got is available, but I'm not like I said, if it is available, I'll link it down below for you guys. This is the second time I'm recording this, so I already opened it, so I'll just show you what was inside. This is the Easter one. This is plate M189. I really wanted this plate for the peeps. I think they're so cute. The little picture that somebody, okay, so when you look at their website and you want to get like some inspo, they have some pictures of people who have done designs already, and if I can screenshot it, I'll put it in the video. But they did like the peeps, and they had like the sugar nail It was so freaking cute. So I had to pick this up. And it has a bunch of different little things. Look at the little chick coming out of the cracked egg. So freaking cute. And they have some layered looks here. And then the ones where you can make your own little bunny face. Just so, and the little jelly beans. Stop it. That is so freaking cute. Happy Easter, honey bunny hunt, Easter hunt. I mean egg hunt. Just so many little spring designs. I'm so excited to use. This is cute too. Like the layered, the carrots. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. So it came with this. Now these are the starter kits. I got this when they had the BOGO, the buy one starter kit get one free. Because I had the plates in my cart and I figured why not just get, you know, the extra stamper and scraper and the little polish that comes with it. So here's the stamper and scraper. I'm not going to open it because I want to protect it. I have 2 little kids who like to ruin everything. So, but this is what it is here. This one is ruined. As you can see, my kids got it. My boys. So I'm going to keep this one protected until I use it. And then the polish. It comes with a smudge-free top coat. Just a little travel size. And it came with this purple. I'm not sure the name of this, but I will look it up. This deep purple. So I'm very excited about that. Because typically, these come with like a black or a white, which I already have, and I don't have this purple, so that works out. So that came with the Easter, and I do have 2 other orders coming, and I was trying to wait for them, but they're still in freaking Vegas. So I want to use my St. Patrick's Day starter kit, this one here, and I wanted to do a haul, but I was waiting for the other stuff to come, and it's still not here. So I'm just gonna show you these, you know, the first haul and this one, and then I'll show the next one when it gets here. And this plate is so freaking cute. It has like everything you need to make a St. Patrick's Day set. It's got the clovers, the leprechauns, the rainbow. Look how pretty, the pot of gold. And then you can make your own little dude there. It's just so freaking cute. I don't know what caught my eye on this one more than the other ones, but I really like this. I really like this plate. So this is what it comes. This. I'll show you guys the plates with the film off in a second. So this one is M1AA, and like I said, if it's available, I will link it down below. Again, the starter kit stamping guide. If you are new to stamping, I would read this over. Very good information in here. So again, it comes with a stamper and scraper. And then this one comes with a white and a smudge-free top coat. And this is just a white polish. But thankfully, I got this green one. I believe it came in their Christmas starter kit. So we can use this one for St. Patrick's Day. And I have quite a few. I think I have one more actually. Oh, yeah. I like these little things. They're so freaking cute. And that's how I was able to start my stamping. I just had this black one. At the plates here. So here is the Easter one. Which you could totally use some of these flowers. For an Easter set. I am so freaking excited to use this plate. I really like these little. So the other stuff that was in the beginning of the video, that stuff is already put away and used, so I don't have that right now. But that is the 2 hauls, the 2 purchases I've made, well 3. And I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. So stay tuned for the next haul. I'm sorry, y'all, my son is right here. So stay tuned for my next Maniology haul. As soon as it gets here, I'll record it for you guys. I really don't want to take this set off. That's why I did this haul. And I'm going to do a St. Patrick's Day set. Actually, 2. I want to do 2 different sets with this plate. So stay tuned for that. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.